Well, this interaction was tremendous. There is plenty of ideas to share the knowledge and to have a brainstorming to deal with all of the challenges on a daily basis and how to integrate the team toward the development and improvement. There will be plenty of experience from different industry that it can serve and it can lead the development and improvement across the region. Yeah, the trend is the execution stage. The challenge here is to maintain a clear path for the execution in order to maintain the expected outcomes from this development and improvement for such digital transformation. It is tremendous. There is an interaction between different industries, started from the end user through the service provider, and there is plenty of ideas and sharing knowledge across the sessions. It was tremendous. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity to participate in this wonderful event.